Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Meta Glasses not connecting to app. In this quick tutorial, let's go over how to fix Meta Glasses that aren't connecting to the app. First, ensure the glasses are charged, powered on, and the LED shows solid green. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, and if your glasses are already paired, try forgetting the device and reconnecting to clear old pairing data. Restart both your glasses on your phone, then try unpairing and repairing the glasses. To enter pairing mode, place the glasses in the case and hold the pairing button for 5 seconds until the LED pulses blue. Then use the app's Add Device feature to follow the prompts. If connection issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the Meta AI View app, as outdated versions can cause pairing blocks. As a last resort, perform a factory reset by closing the right temple, pressing the capture button 5 times until the LED turns orange, holding until it flashes, then waiting for it to cycle from white to green before repairing from scratch. Remember, this will erase stored captures. If problem continue, professional support may be required. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.